I'm going to do a pizza. Now, I made this recipe and it says what we need to do. First, I need to add half of a bowl of flour into one big bowl. I'm flattening it out so I can put my other ingredients. Then I need to get my dried yeast and put it on one side. Make sure the package is clearly like this. Then I need to get my salt and my sugar. I'm going to take a spoon, a pinch of sugar and put it onto the yeast. And I'm going to take a pinch of salt and put it onto the other side. Then I need to get some water and add 5 spoons of olive oil. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I need to add little by little and start mixing the mixture with my hands. Until you finish putting all of the oil with the water. Now this can be a little bit messy. And then you have to mix it all together until it forms a dough. Now I'm trying to make the dough into dough. And I'm nearly finished. What I need to do is get it up and to make it into a bowl. Then I need to leave it out for a little bit and put some oil into the bowl. Take this and put some onto the sides because we don't want the dough to stick onto the bowl. And it will be easier to take the dough out of it after it dries. Now I need to put the dough into the bowl and cover it. Now I need to leave it to rise near the fire. Now I can start on my toppings for my pizza. I've got my dough that has rised a lot. So what I need to do is get some dough into my hand and put it into separate parts to make some balls. Now it should be how big this is. Now I think I'm going to do 6 or more. But we've got lots of stuff we can put on. I've got 10 balls, so that means I'm going to do 10 pizzas. So what I need to do, get a pizza, flatten it a little bit with my palm, and then start rolling it. It doesn't really need to be thin, because if it's thin, it won't be how I want it to be. So this is how fluffy I want it to be, and in the oven, it's going to grow. So what I need to do is put it onto the tray and do the same with the other ones until I've done all of them. toppings. What I need to do is add some tomato sauce onto each one and start spreading. I might leave some corners for the crust. I can add the mozzarella cheese onto the pizzas. And now I can add the chicken. I'm not going to add chicken to all of them because I might want to eat some pizzas without some chicken. And now I'm going to ask my mum to put it in the oven.